In this video, you'll learn how to sign up for Notion. By following these steps, you will create your account and start using the platform for your organizational needs. Begin by navigating to the Notion website or opening the Notion app on your device. Once the page loads, locate the sign up option, which is prominently displayed on the main interface. Click on this option to initiate the registration process. After clicking sign up, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email that you have access to, as you will need it for verification. Following this, create a secure password for your account. It is crucial to choose a password that is not easily guessable to ensure the security of your account. Once you have entered your email and password, you may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Notion and click on the link provided to confirm your email. Completing this step is essential for activating your account. After verifying your email, return to the Notion interface to continue setting up your account. Here, you will be asked to enter your name and details about your workspace. You can also select how you plan to use Notion, such as for personal projects or team collaboration. If templates are suggested, you can choose one or skip this step if you are unsure. Once you've completed the setup process, you will be guided through an onboarding experience. This will help you familiarize yourself with the features available in Notion. After onboarding, you will gain access to your workspace where you can start exploring default pages and begin creating your content right away. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.